Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a Word document to PandaDoc. Alright, it's actually pretty easy to do. So first up, just gotta log into your PandaDoc account. Now once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the top left and create new. Okay, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, the supported files are PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPEG, and PNG. Okay, just go to straight up click on select file. Now go ahead and upload the Word document that you would like to upload. Just make sure that it is set as a doc or docs file type, okay? Like here. Just click on it and make sure that it is highlighted. And once that's done, just hit on open. Wait for it to load. All right, it says here, want to edit your .docs file. Once converted, you can edit, copy, paste, and redesign content as if created in PandaDoc. If you want that, go ahead and click on this green button that says make it editable. If not, just click on skip. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on make it editable. Wait for it to process. Now, once that's done, you can now go ahead and add in your text field, signature, blocks, and some other options right here and hit on send. There you have it. That's how you upload a Word document to PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.